In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Luminar Neo settings. Resetting Luminar Neo can mean different things depending on your goal, so I'll walk you through the right method for each situation, from a quick cleanup on one photo to a full, fresh start. If you only want to wipe the edits from a single image, use the quick reset. Open your photo, then look near the Presets panel for the three-dot menu. Click it and choose Reset Adjustments. That instantly removes every edit and any preset you applied to that image, without touching your other photos or the rest of your library. If you just need to step back through recent changes instead, remember the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z. On Mac, press Command+Z. If Luminar Neo feels slow or a little glitchy, clear the cache to reset performance. On Windows, go to File, then Preferences, and click Clear Cache. This rebuilds temporary files so the app can run smoothly again. It's safe to use, and it does not delete your edits, your catalog, or your images. For a full, factory-like reset of the application, the best approach is to reinstall. Start by backing up your catalog so your work is protected. Go to File, Catalog, Backup, and save that backup to a reliable location. Next, uninstall Luminar Neo, then reinstall it fresh. Reinstalling removes application files and settings, giving you a truly clean reset, while your catalog backup keeps your edits secure if you need them later. If something seems broken and you want to isolate the issue, work with the catalog itself. Open a fresh catalog by going to File, Catalog, Open, then create a new catalog. This lets you run Luminar Neo with a clean catalog, which often resolves catalog-level errors and helps you continue working while you diagnose the problem. A few important notes before we wrap up. Luminar Neo does not include a single Reset All Settings button. Most settings and behaviors are tied to your catalog, your presets, and the application cache. Your edits are saved automatically inside the catalog, which is why backing up that catalog before major changes is a smart move. Use the quick reset for one photo, clear the cache to boost performance, reinstall for a full reset, and create a new catalog when you need to troubleshoot. With these targeted approaches, you'll get the reset you need without losing work.